breaking out the old thing pad here, guys, for tuning. You know this video is gonna get real. There for right now. All right, today's video is gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be exciting. I already know the outcome of this, but it's still gonna be fun to experience this for all you guys. You can see I have my hood popped. Right now I'm trying to get this thing to pass emissions. Therefore, I put my stocky back on. Damn, I should probably invest in some new headlights. What do you guys think? What we're gonna do today is, I get this question all the time. I get asked, will this car run stock? Will a K24 swap run stock? And for all the new people, and for all the people who've been following my channel, this is a 8th gen Civic Si, 2007 to be exact, with a JDM K24 swap, bolt-ons, and it was tuned. It's lightly modified. There's no cams, no crazy engine work. It's basically stock it. OEM-ish is how I like to call it. Intake, header, 3-inch exhaust, and VTC. That's all this K24 really has for mods. So essentially, it's pretty much stock in my eyes. So for all the people asking, can you run this car stock? Will it run stock? First thing we're gonna do, plug this into our USB port, which is right down here. I've done this many times, so I know where the location is, but it's literally right, you'll see it, it's right under here. And then next, what we're gonna do is go to Flash Pro, turn the key to the on position, do not start the vehicle, Flash Pro. So we're gonna go here, you're gonna click Flash Pro, and right now you can see what I have on there. eTunes K24, you know, revision 10. It's gonna tell me all my information right there right now. To online, and then we're gonna go to return ECU to stock. This will return ECU to stock Civic Si 2007 to 2011. Yes. All right, let it do its thing, guys. It's saying do not unplug Flash Pro or switch off ignition. Once this is complete, your ignition should reset. You should see all your gauges, and it will say everything is uploaded successfully. You're waiting for that indicator, guys. Do not try to start this thing mid-procedure. It will probably screw up your ECU. And if it's loading, don't interfere with anything. Just let it do its thing. Okay. We have a message. The last Flash Pro upload succeeded. You could see I have my gauges. Let's go ahead and start the car, guys, and see if she starts. So to answer everybody's question, yes, a K24 will run stock. Now keep in mind, mine is OEM based. So the only thing, like I said, I really changed out was the VTC gear. I can't tell you on whether it would run stock with aftermarket cams or with aggressive cams. I can't tell you to where if you had bigger injectors, it would run right, etc. The list goes on. So this is based on a OEM-like build. So I did that on purpose, you know, in case problems had to arise. I was thinking like this before. I'm like, well, if I put all these aggressive parts on, like cams and stuff, you know, I'll mess. Obviously reliability is an issue, and then if I ever have to flash it to stock, how is the car gonna run without a tune? So that's my main reason. But I think everybody's excited to see how this thing's gonna run. I'm not really looking forward to the rev hang, because I don't even remember what that feels like. But yeah, let's go have some fun, guys. It's a beautiful day out. See how she drives. this is so weird, guys. Like, I can't remember the last time I was actually stock. And now there's nothing wrong with being stock, guys. That's obviously best gas mileage, guaranteed reliability. It idles lower too. Oh God. Oh, it feels pretty good, man. Like, the rev hang's doable. Maybe because it has the displacement. Still sounds good though, the exhaust still crackles and everything. I can definitely tell the difference when I go to get on a little bit. That cold air intake, guys, with the torque and just the tune, the way it was set up, you can tell, like, the low end and mid-range was just super aggressive, to whereas now I'm back to stock, everything's opposite. So my power band is basically K20. So my VTEC, both crossovers, the cams initiate at 5,800 RPM, so I have to wait all the way to 58 for me to even get the power boost. But with the added displacement of the K24, you can daily this setup. Like, this is it's very comfortable. It feels really good. I kind of want to get on it a little bit, but I'm like sketched. Fourth gear, OEM, stock. It actually picked up pretty quick too with that double engagement. I forgot how aggressive it is. Guys, that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. Hopefully this answers a lot of questions for everybody who asks me. I get that question all the time. Hey, will the K24 run stock? Or do you need a tune to start it and this and that? So I wanted to make this video for you. The next video I'll be making will be whether or not this passes emissions tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I have a ton of trucking videos coming. So hope you guys really enjoyed. Be sure to give me a like. Drop your comments down below and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Peace.